Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to activate Facebook Reels monetization and get paid for your viral videos, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the essentials of unlocking your earning potential on Facebook Reels. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you can start monetizing, ensure you meet Facebook's eligibility requirements. You typically need to have a certain number of followers, consistent engagement, and be in a country where the monetization program is available. Visit the Facebook Help Center for the most up-to-date eligibility information. Step 2. Create engaging video content. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Use trending sounds, effects, and formats to boost your chances of going viral. Remember, engaging content leads to higher viewer retention, which is crucial for monetization. Step 3. Build your audience. Promote your Reels across different platforms to gain visibility and followers. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages to build a loyal community. The more followers you have, the better your chances for monetization. Step 4. Join the Facebook Reels Play program. Facebook offers a Reels Play program that allows creators to earn money based on the performance of their Reels. To join, navigate to the monetization section in your Creator Studio. Make sure to follow the prompts to apply and provide any necessary information, such as your tax details. Step 5. Utilize the Facebook Creator Studio. Once approved, use Facebook Creator Studio to manage your videos, view insights, and track your performance. Regularly check your analytics to understand what content works best and optimize accordingly. Step 6. Keep up with trends. Stay updated with the latest trends on Facebook and social media in general. Incorporate popular themes and styles into your videos to attract a broader audience. Following trends can significantly increase your chances of creating viral content. Step 7. Follow community guidelines. Always adhere to Facebook's community standards and monetization policies. Violating these may lead to your monetization being revoked. Ensure your content is appropriate and follows all platform rules. Step 8. Engage with your audience. Regularly interact with your audience through comments and live sessions. Building a community will not only foster loyalty, but will also encourage viewers to share your content, increasing its reach and potential for monetization. Remember to keep an eye on the performance of your videos and adapt your strategy as needed. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion for making videos into a profitable venture on Facebook Reels. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks on social media monetization.